Hello, today I want to show how to mount the new gear for the BOSCH Classic motor. First of all, you need to remove the old broken gear. Then you have to clean everything so that we don't have any mud and dirt and so on. And then it's pretty much easy. First we have to add this ring here, and then we have to add the gear. I marked the position of the gears, of the holes here. Then we have to insert the screws. Just clean it a bit here. And then you're ready to go. Just press the bearing on. Just removed it for cleaning. It is absolutely okay, close to be new. So I just press this on, and then we're done. Pretty much easy task.